Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Parivar. So guys, in the last video, we tried to learn how to remove admin role access in Entra ID. In this video, I will show you how to create group in Microsoft Entra ID. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to log into portal.azure.com. Okay, once you log into portal.azure.com, let's wait for a few seconds here. Yes, so you can see I have logged in successfully on portal.azure.com, and in same way you have to log in using your credential. I was already logged in here. That is why without entering credential here, it was logged in automatically. In your case, maybe it will ask to enter you the credential. Okay. Now you need to click here. Okay. This is portal menu. You need to click here and click to Microsoft Entra ID. Or you can find here also. You can see here search bar. So you can find here Microsoft Entra ID. You can see same window will open. Okay. Then here you will see manage. So you need to expand this and then you need to click on groups. Once you will click to groups, you can see here there is no any group. Total groups 0, M365 0, security group 0. Okay. Now let's try to create. What we'll do, you can see here new group. Click to new group. Which type of group you have to create? Okay. You can see here first it is showing security. Okay. And second Microsoft 365. Okay. So let's create a security group. Here we'll enter group name like SG. SG stands for security group. Okay, SG hyphen test. It's up to you. You can keep it like test, XYZ, ABC, whatever you want. Okay, group description for testing purpose. Okay, membership type assigned. Okay, we'll add a member later on once we'll create this group. Okay, so let's click on create. You can see here successfully created group SG-test. Okay, let's now go to groups. Let's go to default group and then groups. Here you will see total group 1 now it is showing. Once you click to group, okay, it will show here test group. Okay, let's select this. Let's click on this. Okay, and click on manage. Okay, members. If you'll go to members, you can see here it is saying no members have been found. Okay, where in this group SG-test group. Okay, no members. Let's add few members. Click on add members. Here you can select right member. So you can see IT Parivar is a user. Okay, then if you can scroll down, test is a user. Okay, so what you need to do here is you need to find the username. Okay, to that user with to whom you want to add here. Okay, so in my case I have one user Ramesh. Okay, you can see here Ramesh. When I search here Ramesh, it is showing now. So I'll select this. Okay, click on select group membership. Sorry, group members successfully added. Okay, Let's refresh from here. Now you can see Ramesh Kumar is added to this SG-test security group. Okay. So in this way, you can create group, you can add users or members to the group. Okay. And if you have to create a Microsoft 365, just you need to select Microsoft 365. Okay, group type, and then you will be able to create Microsoft 365 group also. Okay, so guys, in this way you can create a group in Microsoft Entra ID, or you can say Azure. Okay, and you can add users to the group. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I'll request you to please subscribe my channel IT Parivar, okay, and click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload new videos related to the Azure or related to the Microsoft Entra ID, Microsoft Azure Active Directory or Active Directory or any videos related to the technical things, okay. So for more technical tips, please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.